All right, now that I got my setup going here, my Rigid Shop Vac here, 6 horsepower, 14 gallons, model WD1451, hooked up to my Oneida Dust Deputy. And for those of you who don't know what this does, it separates the dust and from entering your shop vac here. You know, it saves the life of your shop vac. But when you're grinding concrete, the really fine dust does get through, which I'm about to show you, even though I'm running 2 filters on this thing. Okay? I have the Oneida Dust Deputy, which is the separator, right? And now I run a bag in there. And this bag really helps out, especially when you're grinding concrete. But if you can see how fine the dust is, it actually goes through this bag here. That's how fine the dust particles is. And you can see it. See that? That's what makes it through, the really fine dust particles. And then I got this filter here, and you can see the white on the filter. But you can see how clean this is compared to if I wasn't running this bag or the Oneida Dust Deputy. This thing will probably be clogged by now. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys a little demonstration with the Rigid Shop Vac here, Oneida Dust Deputy, and this is just a Milwaukee diamond cup grinder. You can see with a dust shroud, which helps minimize the dust. It's not totally dustless, but it is a lot better than if you was running nothing on it. Let me tell you that. It really does reduce a lot of the dust. You know, as you can see, this place that I'm working in, it's, you know, brand new renovation. You know, don't have to worry about dust or any of that. So, but if I was in somebody's house, I would cover, you know, their furniture, make sure that everything's plasticed off. But other than that, this is what it is. And here you go. Let's get to it. Turn on my vac here. All right then. There you have it. Look at that. That dust is so fine, man. I gotta tell you. I'm glad I have this setup right here. And no, I am not sponsored, you know, or, you know, doing this video because of them. I'm just doing this to show you guys out there, you know, maybe you guys don't know about this setup, and you guys are looking for a cleaner way to do concrete grinding or any else, maybe even drywall dust. You know, you just want a cleaner environment. This really does help out. So tell me what you guys think, and you know, you have any questions, just let me know and I'll get back to you. All right, guys.